I'm a member of the Chabad movement, and a motto in Chabad is a Hebrew term, ufaratzta, which translates as breaking out. Sort of you break out of your limitations and boundaries that you find yourself confined to. So one November day, Chani, my wife and I visited some friends and alumni in New York, and we had no idea it was Marathon Sunday. And we walked to Central Park. So as we were watching the athletes who completed the run, I told Chani and our friends that in a year from now, I'll complete a marathon. So Chani and my friend's response was dismissive, saying, yeah, right. So that week at Shabbat dinner, I told the students that I will complete a marathon. Now, my motivation was ufaratzta, meaning if I encourage our students to undertake something they never considered, then I must do the same, and here was an opportunity. That Sunday, I got on the treadmill, and after 10 minutes, I was close to hyperventilating. I continued, and eventually, about a year from then, 2 weeks before the Cape Cod Marathon, I ran for 3.5 hours and was ready for the race. Accomplishing something that you never considered possible was extraordinary. I was on cloud 37. I felt like I was walking on air.